Hello, it's Misha Emily Nichjoin for Chloe Vratin on Halifax, Albanug, Canada. She video sonricha ha shaw gus tang a horst on a patronich akin. Is sheevsha a hook teich don immersed Kickstarter akin, san og via stavilis a nuitiak. Gun at kuch chodjichi ha burin gain and neo shaw aishachug. Anna Ruadh me Montgomery Anna Gaelic. Hugshivola and teich sonricha a rain and neo shaw. Agus betalain tang a horst on a patronich a lennis layer nenyaman. I'm Emily McEwen from Bradan Press in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, and this is a special video to thank our patrons, those of you who supported our Kickstarter campaign in June 2019. Without you, we could not have published this book. Anne of Green Gables by L.M. Montgomery in the first ever Scottish Gaelic translation. Without you, we couldn't have done this, and all of you helped to make this book, to make it a reality. So we would like to thank the following patrons by name. Common Gaelic Toronto, the Gaelic Society of Toronto. Roine Keltish, Olhai Nuiv Francis Xavier, the Department of Celtic Studies at St. Francis Xavier University. Gunura, Anonymous. Sharon Andick. Jennifer Bailey. Chris Macaulay Bateman. Laura Grant Buckner. Thomas Burnett. Liam Cassidy. Mary Beth Cavert. Shannon D. Kimberly Dakers. Katie Larson Dahl, Dr. Emily Jern, Elizabeth Ewan, Trina Freever, Jeffrey Graybell, Michael and Kimberly Hensley, Gary Engel, Tom Insel, Janice Chan, Alan Kay, Jen Pryor Klimak, Megan Wilkes Coates, Emily Macaulay Mellon, Seamus McOwen, Kirsten McDougall, Christine McGregor, Wendy L. McInnes, Joyce McKenzie, Andrew Colin McKinnon, Darcy Noak, Myrat Faithton, Rosie Perron, Catherine Rupke, Amy Varon, and Olga Voitas. Tapalevola, thank you all for helping us to make Anna Ruadh a reality with your generous financial contributions through our June 2019 crowdfunder. Moran Tang.